Okay, I had taken off my dual headlights, which are these guys. You can see those. Anyhow, took those off to try a single headlight kit. I'm not too happy with the brackets because it just gives me barely enough clearance right here underneath the bracket for the gauge cluster. Anyhow, I can order another one that's better, but I mean, it came out pretty good. Make it look more like a modern bike. I know, like, not too many people are they think these dual headlights look goofy, but you know, whatever, I can go either way. But I thought I'd try this kit, and it seems to put out a pretty good beam. That's low beam there. There's other ones where they'll have a signal light built in, which I really didn't need since I already have. I put these on the fairing. Plus, you can mount turn signals like on the side or something if you want. But mine has a little. It's got this flash trigger. The flash of your head, your high beam, and then that's with the high beam on. And it's pretty bright. Of course, I don't even remember the last time I rode at night, but I just wanted something bright so people see me. So it looks pretty good. But like I said, I want to get some better brackets. I'll probably get one of the ones where it's a dual mount, and hopefully it'll come out maybe another inch. So I'll have a little bit more play right here, but I think this is enough to where it's high enough. Other than that, I had some different decals on the tank which I took off, and I changed this right here for the Triumph, and then I just put some different grips on. This comes in handy to mount my phone, which is cool. Also, I got a Bluetooth dongle for the OBD to where I have an app on my phone to where I can display, you know, like engine temp and whatnot from the bike. Which I didn't have to buy any kind of special software. It's just regular car OBD software, and it reads the computer off the bike. I thought maybe I had to get something special for the Triumph, but I didn't. So that's just the latest thing I've done to my bike. So thanks for watching.